This video is going to go over p-edit and how we can join some of the polylines from something like a SketchUp export. So in a previous video, I oriented myself to each face of this model so I could export it as a 2D graphic so that way I can cut out each face on a laser cutter. And so then I have the results here. What happens though is when we export something from a SketchUp model into the 2D graphics, is a lot of times it's going to break it down into just these separate line segments. The laser is going to often just decide what it believes to be the shortest path, and sometimes then it kind of jumps around a lot. So it might go and just cut only this part and then just decide it's going to come over here and cut this part and then decide it's going to come here and just do. I'm trying to find another little segment, but there aren't many. But you get kind of what I mean is that it might just do this and then come back and do the other. And while that's not necessarily going to be the end of the world, it is often a little bit inconvenient. And what we would like the laser to do is just go and cut out one entire path of a piece at a time. So to solve that issue, an easy way to do that is through a polyline edit or a p-edit. So to do that, I'm going to type in the command p-edit, enter, and then instead of selecting a polyline like my command bar is prompting me, I'm going to use the option to do multiple ones at once. So that's either just type in M, enter, or you can click on the multiple option down here. And then I'm just going to window around all of my objects and hit enter on my keyboard. Now I'm being prompted to convert lines, arcs, and splines. And the default option in those carets is yes. So I'm just going to hit enter again. And now from the option menu I'm being given, I'm going to say that I want to join all of these polylines together. So I'm going to click on join. And for my fuzz distance, I'm going to leave it here set at 0 as it's set already. So I'm just going to hit enter. And now I can either hit escape to end the command or just hit enter again. And what that has done is it's actually taken this from being separate lines and it's made into one continuous polyline. So the laser now is just going to follow this entire piece as one go follow this entire piece as one go, and it just makes it a little bit easier to work with the laser in scenarios like this.